As an engine room personnel, my day often revolves around one crucial task: monitoring the bilge water levels. It might seem mundane, but trust me, it's a vital part of ensuring ship safety and preventing potential flooding. The engine room is the heart of the vessel, and just like any heart, it needs to be in top shape to keep everything running smoothly. Let's dive into the steps of checking bilge water levels. First, I always start with a visual inspection. I look for any signs of leaks or unusual water accumulation. This initial check is essential because it helps me identify problems before they escalate. Next, I use the bilge level sensors. These sensors provide real-time data, allowing me to monitor water levels accurately. If the sensors indicate that the water is rising too high, it's time to take action. Now, why is this so important? Unchecked bilge water can lead to serious consequences. If the water level rises beyond a certain point, it can compromise the ship's stability and even lead to flooding. This is not just a minor inconvenience. It can endanger the lives of everyone on board and cause significant damage to the vessel. We've all heard stories of ships that have capsized due to poor bilge management. It's a risk we can't afford to take. To prevent these situations, I've learned a few expert tips over the years. Regular maintenance of the bilge pumps is crucial. I make sure they are in good working order and test them frequently. It's also important to keep the bilge clean. Any debris can obstruct the pumps and lead to failures. I always remind my team to be vigilant and report any irregularities immediately. Communication is key in the engine room. Now, let's talk about the essential tools I rely on for monitoring. Besides the sensors, I use a dipstick for manual checks. It's a simple tool, but it provides a reliable backup if the sensors fail. I also keep a logbook to track water levels over time. This helps me identify patterns and anticipate potential issues before they arise. In conclusion, the role of engine room personnel in bilge water level checks is not just about routine tasks. It's about safeguarding the ship and everyone on it. By staying proactive and using the right tools, we can prevent flooding and ensure a safe journey across the seas. Remember, a well-maintained bilge is a cornerstone of maritime safety.